Lars Lundstrøm, that used to work for Microsoft, have done a great blog post about how to use the free version of Visual Studio for designing reports in 2013. You can find it on Mebuso and on Klaus's blog here. There's two components of it. Of course, you need the Express version of Visual Studio, but then you also need the shell integration, and you can download them from here. If you look at the download page for Visual Studio, you really want to download the ISO image down here, because that's what you can use for installing later on. If you're installing on your own computer, you can install the Visual web developer out here. I'm going to use my virtual machine in here, and the first thing I'm going to do is actually to attach my ISO image that I downloaded down here with Visual Studio in here. You put it in the CD drive, and I'll run the setup in here. And I want to install the Visual web developer down here. And I just go through and accept the license term. I don't need a second SQL server because I already have one used with NAV if I need it in here, and I really only need everything to be stored, so I can go ahead and use it for designing reports inside NAV now. So this goes through and install the components of Visual Studio in here, and I'll have a lot less to do since I don't have to install the SQL server that was part of it in here. It was originally communicated for Microsoft that you would need the 2010 Visual Studio, the professional edition, that needs to be purchased for designing reports. And this one is a great thing that it's possible to actually design reports with free tools, so you don't have to buy additional software at every customer site just to design reports and change the layout of them. The report designer in 2013 is a lot more powerful than the report designer used in 2009. One of the key features that are a lot easier is actually moving information to the header. There's no tricks needed any longer. It just works moving information out to the header of the report. It's a feature inside the report itself. But it's almost done installing the Visual Studio here. So, and I should run Microsoft Update, and I'll go do that a little later. So I'm done with that one. The other part was that I actually needed to go read my other file in here, and I have in my Visual Studio folder already downloaded my shell integration in here. I'm just going to put it here on a local drive. And then I'm going to run that install also. So, and this one is again accept the license agreement and click install, and then after that one it's basically done. After this install, I'll go test in the classic client. So as soon as it's done, we will open up the development environment and design one of the reports in the standard system to see if we can get to the layout. So I always get this one. For some reason the pictures are not coming around right here. So let's see here in NAV development environment. We'll take a look at a report, and we can look at something like the customer list, for example. And I'll assign that one, and then I'll go here and view the layout. And now Visual Studio start for the first time here, but the report layout now comes up, and I can see my layout here of the customer list reports, and everything works fine in this free version of Visual Studio 2010. Great post by Klaus Lundström to allow using the free tool for designing the layout in NAV 2013.